positive news which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The whole purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Societies Movement USA, that is PSSM USA. In this pandemic, people have become more fearful of life, and PSSM is enabling them to be more stronger and fearless with the tools of meditation, plant-based food and pyramid energy.
About PSSM.
Pyramid Spiritual Societies Movement, founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious, voluntary movement working across the USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy and also spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates, group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars with the goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all.
PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual.
PMC USA channel. This is purely English-based channel which will bring all the content like meditation live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual channel. This channel will serve all languages other than English. The content will be on similar lines with meditation events, summits, experience sharing and so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. Full Moon Meditation with Patriji. Full Moon celebration was grandly celebrated in Pyramid Valley, Bengaluru on 3rd September. 3 hours of music meditation was so energetic and soothing with Patriji sir on the flute and 3 other musicians.
Activities happening in USA.
PMC USA in partnership with Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy, that is PSSA, introduced Spiritual Science Foundation course from none other than Mr. Shivaramappa, Vice Chairman of PSSA. New topic of spiritual science in each class with the form of theory and practice in each of the session. This event has completed its 4 weeks of journey with lot of wisdom sharing from our Vedas. 3 more weeks is coming up and please refer to the flyer to join these sessions. PSSM USA is proud to present weekly sessions on conscious parenting. This whole program was totally initiated based on the request from various viewers showing interest and to learn about the right way of parenting. Various speakers each week are participating from across the globe to share their personal experiences about parenting. This event is scheduled every Sunday at 10:30 AM EST. Dr. Subramanya Manjunath will be sharing on September 7th about programming the subconscious of children. Please visit us on PMC USA YouTube channel.
PSSM USA upcoming event.
PSSM USA is very thankful to all participants for the amazing response shown by applying for this special course called Inner Journey. This is a 55-day program covering concepts of PSSM for first 12 days and then followed by rigorous meditation, more focusing journey inwards. This event will start on September 10th to 5th November from 5 AM to 7 AM EST. PSSM Global Past Event. PSSM Global just completed yet one other great event called Digital Meditation Summit Espanol. Various Spanish speakers participated in the event and presented about well-being and holistic health. PSSM Global appreciated efforts of Madeline Squares and Hrishikesh Balsare for taking meditation to our friends in Spanish community. PSSM Global upcoming event. PSSM Global is conducting first time ever event for our Vietnam friends, Digital Meditation Summit, Vietnam. This event is in English and some of the speakers like Mai Hong, Susan Griffith Jonas, Dr. Newton Kondaviti, Susie Mindat, Jana Seidenhans, along with Patriji and many others are joining, which forms as the highlights of this event. This event is planned on September 6th from 10 PM to 10 AM EST on the following day. Watch live on PMC Global YouTube channel. Activities happening in USA. There are daily and weekly sessions happening across the US region and the details of the same are in the attached flyer. PSSM USA announcement. PSSM USA is proud to telecast Digital Dhyana Swadhyayam, which is purely an English knowledge sharing session. A new master across the globe would come every day and share their wisdom. Please join us at our PMC USA YouTube channel from September 10th to September 30th from 8:30 to 10:30 AM EST. For further info, please reach out to our customer service 1770-872-0955. Email info@pssmusa.org. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for the notifications. This is Shrutija signing off.